OKFM 101.7.
Pacho mesrel pa amanfo se kanokre na enye wadamfo bi x nemum eyewo ankasa oh story because we won sem wa Ghana for kan wi and how they mabne yaba ade ntina wo date Akuapem Poloo wasre
the question is
why are you dating Akuapem Poloo?
No, I know the data.
Why do you like Akuapem Poloo?
Oh, not in the go.
Why do you like Akuapem Poloo?
Charlie, this question. Well,
I asked the most crazy, stupid question.
Yeah,
in
this
Ghana.
is crazy.
Yes,
this is crazy.
Yes. Why do you like Akuapem Poloo?
Well, I they like I'm normal as any like person they like, you understand, like a friend or something, or like a sister in the industry.
One in a video.
Yeah.
Video no scenes be more ese ubi ene dofo.
Oh nah. And I mean coming who's scenes now can.
In the video.
Yeah.
And then I will express it to Akuapem Poloo.
I don't know. I just went to do my work. I mean, me express it. Me the only do, but me I just went to work.
People are alleging that you and Akuapem Poloo are in some form of relationship.
Nah, not at all.
And Akuapem Poloo express it on social media how deeply she is in love with you.
Yeah, if you know, we know how.
It is a normal na ma benanso cheat on obia adena de yenyum. If what Akuapem Poloo is saying is normal, then what?
What are the questions? No, me answer you not the next.
Questions are dorsal.
OKFM 101.7.